our first lesson in this Atom Frenzy module. We will introduce students to atoms by having them make a model atom. To complete the activity, we will use a paper plate, 2 different coloured modelling clay, a pipe cleaner and scissors, as well as a bit of blue tack. Atoms have a central core called the nucleus, which is surrounded by the electron cloud. In lesson 1, we'll introduce 4 atoms only: hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. We will make a carbon atom as our example. Carbon is element number 6 and is the element that makes up charcoal, lead pencils, although we should really call it graphite, and even diamonds. First, we'll make our nucleus and then make the electrons and put them in the electron cloud surrounding the nucleus. For this atom, we have 6 protons and 6 neutrons because we're making carbon. To make the nucleus, you use 6 red balls and 6 blue balls. Please note that the ball colours have nothing to do with what a nucleus actually looks like. We just use 2 different colours to show that protons and neutrons are different. Once you have your balls rolled, you gather them together into a bigger random ball. It's nice if you can mix the protons and neutrons in a random sort of way, alternating them, although this can be a bit tricky to do. When we have our slightly bigger ball made of the 12 tiny balls, we can pop these in the middle, and there we have our nucleus. Second, we'll make the electrons and the electron cloud. So we're using these fluffy pieces of pipe cleaner to represent electrons. Electrons are wavy and fuzzy and spread out over the size of the atom into the electron cloud. I'll use blue tack so that I can pop my electrons into the electron cloud. Let's spread them out to represent the fuzzy electrons in the electron cloud. Okay, how many electrons have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect for a carbon atom. It's important that students understand that electrons don't actually move in circular orbits like in the pictures we sometimes see. Here we have our carbon atom with its tiny protons and neutrons in its central core, which we call the nucleus, surrounded by electrons in the electron cloud. It's important to remember that these are only model atoms that will help us learn about how real atoms are made from just 3 types of particles: protons and neutrons in the central core called the nucleus, surrounded by electrons in the electron cloud. In lesson 2, we'll learn how atoms are the building blocks of everything.